Plate compactors are our superstar products. We have the most complete plate compactor models from 40 kilograms to 750 kilograms, which are suitable for different working conditions. From steel plate cutting, welding, grinding, leveling, fine machining, spraying and assembling, we complete each production link by ourselves, which can control the quality well and shorten the production time. Since 2012, we have introduced advanced laser cutting equipment, robot welding equipment, and CNC fine machining equipment, which have improved the product's quality and appearance greatly.